hands-on, detailed. Angie and Tamika are the best. Very informative.
Hi, I'm Gloria. I just finished up with the wig unit class taught by Tamika Burton. Really learned a lot. I learned how to measure the head from ear to ear, get my measurements and everything. And then I learned how to sew the hair on properly on the wig unit.
Yes, I did enjoy the class. I learned a lot. This is my first time making a unit.
Oh, wow.
It was a very good experience for me. Miss Tamika is an awesome teacher. Miss Angie, Mr. Bronex, they explained it a lot very well.
Oh, you were excellent.
Oh, thank you. Just finished teaching wig class. It was amazing. They learned a lot. Now we're on our way to a Blazing Radio.